안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. The dish I would like to introduce today is one of the most popular side dishes in Korean banchan stores. It's called 오징어 채볶음, which is spicy dried squid strips. It's spicy, sweet, and has a satisfying chewing texture. Would you like to make it together? Today I'm going to use the dried squid strips. Before cooking the dried squid strips, lightly rinse them in warm water. This will make the dried squid strips much softer and reduce the salty taste of the squid itself. After removing some of the moisture from the squid, place it on a kitchen towel to remove the remaining moisture. Place the dried squid strips in a bowl. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The reason for adding mayonnaise beforehand and mixing it is that the oil in mayonnaise coats the squid, so the dried squid strips remain tender and flavorful even after some time. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. How to make the seasoning sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking wine. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 3 tablespoons of gochujang. Mix well. Put the seasoning sauce in a preheated pan. Let it simmer for a minute. When the seasoning sauce starts bubbling, add the dried squid strips that you coated with mayonnaise earlier. Mix well. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn syrup or honey according to your preference. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Mix well. Let it cool and transfer it to a serving dish. If you have chopped green onions, sprinkle a little before serving. How to eat? You can enjoy the dried squid strips as a side dish with rice. Alternatively, you can put rice on instant roasted seaweed and top it with the stir-fried dried squid strips. Then it will be so delicious. How was today's recipe? Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.